All right, folks, here we go. Tuesday morning. These are the mornings you live for right here. Beautiful, peaceful start to the day. 65 degrees. Sun starting to come up. We're ready to go. So it seems like traders are starting to cozy up to this idea that the recent inflation that we've seen is temporary. At least that's what the Fed feels. Got some more confirmation last night from one of the central bankers, President Bullard, came out and said that, well, while we're in the midst of this pandemic, the Fed's going to maintain, they're going to stay the course, keep rates low. So what happens? Well, we see these markets, stock market trade higher. Big day yesterday, green again today. We see that dollar trade lower. Seeing that once again, seeing that British pound press up against 3-week highs, seeing the euro trade higher, seeing dollar yen, seeing the yen strengthen. So weakness in the dollar. Oil broke up above $66 a barrel in WTI. Some of those Iranian fears we had last week, those are gone. Gold pressing up against $1,900 an ounce. So moral of the story, I think the next couple months are going to be very interesting and critical for FX. I think we're probably going to see a lot of volatility as we try to wrap our heads around the data. Data is going to become very important because that's going to help determine when the Fed does change course and starts to taper, starts to raise rates. So, could be in for quite a ride. Let's go get some today. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow.